right? Whether you're in middle school planning for high school, or you're in high school planning for the next phase of your life, college, work, travel, whatever it is, understand that your future doesn't have to be linear, meaning it doesn't have to be a straight line. There can be lefts and rights, and there probably will be setbacks and challenges along the way. When I started out as a Spanish teacher, it wasn't like Spanish teacher straight line to where I'm at today. It was Spanish teacher, total turn to professional fighting, and then like a diagonal slant to what I'm doing now. If I choose to do something else, I'll pick something the way I've picked everything. I'll look at my skills, my characteristics, likes, passions, etc. So you can let that pressure off. If you make a choice now, you might realize in a year that, hey, that wasn't the best choice. Now I'd prefer to do that other thing. And then you can do that other thing, assuming that we're maintaining this integrity and discipline and commitment and hard work that I'm talking about.